children. How are you all? Fine? Good. Did you complete the work that I given earlier? Yes, very good. We already completed one lesson. Today we are going to learn the second lesson. Before we started our class, we have to discuss some questions. Children, do you love to read stories? I think most of us. Okay, today we are going to learn the story in which the main characters are animals. So, I will ask one question. Children, do you love animals? Do you like animals? Okay, very good. So, which is your favorite animal or which is your pet animal? Yes, cat, then goat, then hen, then dog. Okay, then. So, children, I will give you some clues. You have to find out the answer. I will give you some clues. You have to find out the answer. So, your first clue is that we can see this some of our houses. We can see this some of our houses. Did you get any idea? Okay. Then I will give you the second clue. Then you will get the answer. So, the second clue is that it has 4 legs. It has 4 legs. It has 4 legs and very cute. It has 4 legs and very cute. So, the first one we can see this animal, some of our houses. Then second one, it has 4 legs and very cute. Did you get any idea? Yes, dog. Dog is not the answer. Then cow. Cow has 4 legs but it is not the answer. Then I will give the third clue. Then you will get an idea. So it has long ears. It has long ears. It has long ears. Did you get any idea? Elephant. Elephant is not the answer. Then we didn't see some of our houses an elephant. So, the fourth clue, I will give the fourth clue, then you will get the idea. It love to eat carrot. It love to eat carrot. So, the first one, we can see this, some of our houses. Then second one, it has 4 legs. Then third one is, it has long ears, and the fourth one is it love to eat carrot. Yes, very good. What is the answer? Yes, rabbit. Rabbit is the answer. Okay. Today we are going to learn the story of a funny rabbit. So we have to learn our story name. So story name is The Tale of Peter Rabbit. So we have to learn who write this story. So, the story was written by Helen Betrick. Helen Betrick Potter. So, story name is The Tale of Peter Rabbit and it was written by Helen Betrick Potter. So, then we have to learn who were the main characters of this story. We have to learn who were the main characters of this story. So, the first character is Mrs. Rabbit. So, the first character is Mrs. Rabbit. And the second one is, the second character is Flopsy. Second character is Flopsy. And the third one is Mopsy. And the fourth one is Cottontail. Cottontail. And the fifth one is Peter. The fifth character is Peter. Then the sixth one. So, the sixth character is Mr. McGregor. Mr. McGregor. So, these 6 of them were the main characters of our story. So there is two more characters. There is two more characters. One is a mouse and the other one is a sparrow. So one is a mouse and the other one is a sparrow. So Mrs. Rabbit was the mother of these four rabbits. So Mrs. Rabbit was the mother of these four funny rabbits, and Mr. McGregor was a farmer. Mr. McGregor was a farmer. Mr. McGregor was a farmer. So these are the main characters of a story. So the first one is Mrs. Rabbit and the second one is Flopsy and the third one is Mopsy and the fourth one is Cottontail and the fifth one is Peter and the sixth one is Mr. McGregor. So these are the main characters of our stories. Then let's move on to the story. Before we started our story, we have to look the video of our story.
There were 4 little rabbits. Their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. They lived with their mother in a burrow under a fir tree. One morning, Mother Rabbit said, "Now, my dears, you may go into the fields, but don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden. It is not safe." Then Mrs. Rabbit took a basket and her umbrella and went to the baker's shop. She bought a loaf of brown bread and 5 sweet buns. Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail were good little bunnies. They went to the field to gather blackberries. But Peter was very naughty. He ran straight to Mr. McGregor's garden and went inside the gate. First he ate some lettuces and some French beans. Then he ate some radishes. Next, Peter wanted to eat some cucumbers, but suddenly he saw Mr. McGregor. Mr. McGregor was planting cabbages. He jumped up and ran after Peter, calling out, "Stop, thief!" Peter was frightened.
So I hope that you will get a little idea about our lesson. Then look at your textbook. So the first one, the name of our lesson is The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Then first line, Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter were 4 little rabbits. So Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter were little rabbits. They lived with their mother underneath the root of a large fire tree. So they were stay with their mother underneath the root of a large fire tree. "Now, my dears," said old Mrs. Rabbit one morning, "you may go into the field or down the lane." So one morning their mother called the rabbit. So one morning their mother called the 4 little rabbit. So one morning their mother called the 4 little rabbit and told them, "You may go into the field." You can go to the field, but don't go into Mr. McGregor garden. But you don't go to Mr. McGregor garden. So I will show that the picture of Mr. McGregor. So he is Mr. McGregor. So their mother told these 4 little rabbit, "You can go to the field, but don't go into the field of Mr. McGregor's garden. Your father had an accident there." So your father had an accident on there. Now run along. You can run any places and don't get into mischief and don't get into any mischief. Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, who were good little bunnies. So Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, they were good rabbit. Went down the lane to gather blackberries. So they went to the field for plucking blackberries. And what did Peter do? So what did Peter do? So we have to learn what did Peter do. Peter, who was very naughty, so Peter became very naughty, ran straight to Mr. McGregor's garden. So he went directly to Mr. McGregor's garden and squeezed under the gate, and he went inside the gate. First he ate some lettuces and some French beans and then some radishes. So he eats some lettuces and French beans and some radishes. So what are the things Peter eat? What did Peter eat from Mr. McGregor's garden? What did Peter eat? Yes, some lettuces, then yes, French beans, then radishes. He soon felt sick. So while he eating all the things, what happened? His stomach become big. And as he went to look for some parsley, and he looking for some medicine because his stomach become feel sick. Whom should he meet but Mr. McGregor? So at that time he meet Mr. McGregor. Mr. McGregor was on his knees planting cabbages. So Mr. McGregor was planting some cabbages in his field, but he jumped up and ran after Peter. So at that time Mr. McGregor saw Peter. He was chasing Peter, but he jumped up, ran after Peter, calling out, "Stop, thief." So Mr. McGregor was making the sound, "Stop, thief," and he was chasing Peter. So did you understand the part? Okay. We have to discuss some questions from the first part. Yes. So your first question is that who become very naughty? Who become very naughty? Who is that? Who is that? Yes, Peter. Peter become very naughty. So very good. Then your second question is that how many children does Mrs. Rabbit have? How many children does Mrs. Rabbit have? How many children? Yes, 4 children. Mrs. Rabbit have 4 children. Who are they? Who are the 4 children? Yes, first one is Flopsy, second one is Mopsy, then third one is Cottontail, and the fourth one is Peter. Okay. Your next question, why does Peter feel sick? Why does Peter feel sick? Why does Peter feel sick? Because he eat too much food. That is why he feel very sick. So the next one. So what was the farmer name? We learn a farmer in this part. What was the farmer name? Yes, Mr. McGregor. What is that? Mr. McGregor. Okay. Then one more question for you. Why did Mrs. Rabbit tell the rabbits, don't go to Mr. McGregor garden? Why? Every morning their mother told them, don't go to Mr. McGregor garden. So there is a reason. Yes, because their father had an accident on there. So did you understand the lesson and the question? So we have to look some new words from this lesson. So I will give you, we learned some new words from this lesson. Then I will give you some homework you have to write in your notebook. And your first homework is that, first one, how many children does Mrs. Rabbit have? How many children does Mrs. Rabbit have? Then second question, your second question, why does Peter feel sick? Why does Peter feel sick? So that is your second one. Third question, third one, what did Peter eat? What did Peter eat? Mr. McGregor garden. What did Peter eat? Mr. McGregor garden. Then fourth one, if you can do this one. Fourth one, if you can do. Make a paper rabbit. Make a paper rabbit. So your first one, how many children does Mrs. Rabbit have? How many children? We discussed this question in our questioning time. Then how many children does Mrs. Rabbit have? Then second question, why does Peter feel sick? Why does Peter feel sick? Then third question, what did Peter eat? Mr. McGregor garden. What did Peter eat? Mr. McGregor's garden. And the fourth one, if you can do the fourth one. Then make a paper rabbit. Fourth one is make a paper rabbit. So I hope that you were all understood this. Thank you.